JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I want an Afro.
Are you okay?
So I don't remember how the conversation came up. I was at work. I was kicking it with a couple of my homegirls. Y'all know who y'all are. And somehow we were talking about hair. We were talking about natural hair, and the conversation of wearing an Afro, like wearing our hair in a fro state, came up. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do that since we're talking about it. Now, as you can see, the roots are changing. It is almost time for it is actually time now for me to set up another appointment for color, touch, and trim. Beep. And remember that any videos that pop up above will always be listed down below in the description box and in the end cards for you to check out after this one. So I'm doing a fro. I'm not a blown out fro. I don't want to do a blown out fro. I want to do natural state, but I don't want the squozed in looking fro. I want it to still be fluffy and big still, if all of this is making sense. I don't want the one where it's like patted down, patted down, patted down, and you have like the condensed perfect round fro. I want it bigger and fluffier, maybe still more pat down to give it the perfect round shape. But like I said, more fluffier, not as condensed and round. I hope it makes sense. So I scoured the YouTube streets and couldn't find anything that was really encompassing. A lot of people were starting to get off on old hair, which, made sense, because it's already kind of puffy and everything. But I needed a full wash day because I want my hair to be clean when I do this.
Okay.
So couldn't really find what I'm looking for. So we about to go through and figure this out together and see if the way that I do it is gonna be an effective way to get what I'm trying to achieve. We're gonna see. Now it is gonna be a Sienna Naturals wash day. Make sure you click my link for Sienna Naturals down below. As you all know, this is one of my favorite brands. I like everything in the entire line. Very few brands have that for me. Co-founded by Hannah Jope and Issa Rae. Click my link down below. Make sure you check them out. And you get discounts, and the discounts, anytime you click the links, those always help out me and the channel. Click the link down below. I was thinking grease, but grease feels like it might be too heavy. So I'm just gonna use the leave-in and an oil, and we'll see how it do. All right, so you've all seen me use the things 50 million times. So we're gonna kind of blow through it and more so focus on getting the Afro part of it. All right, let's go wash the hair. This is that same old hair. I tell y'all when you see me in a puff, I've extended a look. Beep. Let's go get in the shower because I need to. Ready to wash day? Yes. So this is gonna be a shorter wash day because I'm gonna be doing the shampoo and the untangled rinse out conditioner. Beep. Let's go. cleanse. Detangled. Look at the clumpage of it there, the clumpage of it all. The untangled has been completely rinsed and ready to go. So now the final part. Now I have some place to go this evening, so I'm gonna be styling, get shower. I'm gonna relax. So it's gonna be leave-in, followed swiftly by the lock and seal Jasmine and Rose anti-breakage styling oil. 4 braids in my typical, you know how I detangle my hair in 4 sections. I'm going to dinner for the kids' birthday, monster, and then I will come back home later. Hopefully my hair should be dry, and then we're gonna try to Afro it out. We go see how it works and then sleep on it, and then see how it comes back out the next day. Okay, so. Leave-in all applied. Made sure to kind of focus, well, not even kind of, to really focus on my ends really well as I am ready for a trim. And because I'm going to be wearing my hair big, I need to make sure that those ends are as detangled as possible. Oh. Same process. So easy, so easy. Other side, and then coming back to separate and twist. Hey, it's me. Okay, it is the next day.
I had to be. What was the reason?
Because shower, dress, go to dinner, came home. It was like, what, 10:30, 11, something like that. Got ready for bed, was a wrap. And I got up and did my hair the same way as I did it last night. However, I wanted to do something a little different than how I did it last night, which was just simply parted and twisted. I put the things in here, so I'm on my, it's the thuggish ruggish bone. I'm on my old dog thuggish ruggish bone today. Like I said, a few times you'll ever see a middle part down my head. But yeah, here we have it, 4 twists. So now the hair is definitely stretched. This part is going to be interesting, making it into a fro. So I've got my Pattern Beauty Big Pick, which I positively love this pick. And I have my Agile Beauty water bottle filled with warm water. So I think that to get the fro-y look, but also keep it fluffy, there's, I think, going to be some water needed specifically toward my roots, because like I said, they're stretched. We're going to go through, we're going to see how it works, and try to make it work. But yeah, this is what we have for today. It's cute. It was different for me. I've never styled my hair like this before. I got a few compliments. So yeah, it was whatever. Okay, so let's get it going. So I do use significantly more oil in my hair than I ever have before. If you've been following me for a while, I used to only oil my ends. Now I'm taking it up mid to almost all the way up to the full length of the hair to help retain moisture. All right, so here's how the hair looks. Not a bad looking little twist out. All right, so once it's just stretched, let's spray this here. Spray the perimeter all the way around. Wanted to focus more so on the perimeter is what I think, because like I said, I do still want some of my length. my comb in there, had my mirror, and I was just kind of fluffing it out a little bit more. Make sure that I focus on getting the middle fluffed as well. And then went through and lightly shaped it, patted it down. Michigan, you know, Michigan, we put in Detroit, we put everything, we put all one word. I patted it down and shaped it and didn't pat it too hard because, like I said, still wanted it fluffy, still wanted some movement to it, but, you know, still to have shape. 5-6 minutes and it was got the afro. So, oh, and shout out to the cousin who made the Harry Potter Black alumni shirt with the... And part of my technique too is that I did run my fingers through my hair as well to open it up, move the water around a little bit also, just to kind of help open the hair up, expand it out, you know, detangle some of the ends that were detangled. So hands and the pick were the combination for this. But yeah, no, dope, super dope. Color looks good, hair looks good. Again, using more oil than ever. My hands are so oily.
My God, you're greasy.
But yeah, no, it's good. And to sleep on it, I'll probably just use my Sienna Natural satin scrunchie, probably pull it up into a pineapple, and then wrap it with my Sienna Natural satin scarf. It should still keep its stretched state. Hopefully the ends will be straight, and then in the morning, get out, repick it again, then lightly pat it down. But yeah, Afro 2025, fresh, washed. So this is a beginning to end wash to style, how to do your afro, how to get a fluffy, picked out, movable afro. Love, love, love. So yeah, so let me know what you think. How do you think my technique was? Do you think there were things that I could have done differently or better? Things that you think may have helped? Just anything that you can think. Give me your opinions on how you think the afro turned out as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Very Jackson 5. Call me Jermaine.
Okay, girl.
So again, make sure you check out my links down below. Make sure you click on my link for Sienna Naturals. Get you a nice discount on the products, on the things. Again, one of the lines that I like, all of the products from beginning to end, from wash to style. Love everything. All right, so make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. There's so many more things to do and to try. Feel free to share this out, as like myself, you or someone else you may know may be like, I want to do an afro, shaped afro, but I want to do it from freshly cleaned hair to the end. How do I do it? Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one.